To delete notes on your iPhone, open the Notes app and tap on the note you want to remove, then press the trash icon. To delete multiple notes at once, tap Edit in the top right corner, select the notes you wish to remove, and move them to the trash. However, these notes will still be stored in the recently deleted folder, so to permanently delete them, navigate to that folder, tap Edit, select the notes, and confirm the deletion. For better organization, consider creating folders in the Notes app to avoid accidentally deleting important notes. And that's it, a clutter-free Notes app in no time.